Also in Oakland tonight, there is shock and concern after a home daycare was suddenly closed following several violations. KTVU's Crystal Bailey joins me now live. And Crystal, you've been looking into these allegations that include someone with a criminal record who was prohibited from caring for children operating the center.
That's right, Heather. Dozens of pages of documents highlight the 12 citations across 5 inspection visits since the day the care opened in January. Parents say Gigi's Treehouse was licensed under Mia Allen, but her mother was really running the place. Her mother, Nicole Bronson Bell, was denied clearance to care for children because of her criminal history.
Really scary.
Alejandra Vargas Johnson says when she enrolled her 5-month-old at Gigi's Treehouse in Oakland this summer, everything seemed good.
I was happy I found something that I could afford that was in my neighborhood.
Until she found out Gigi's Treehouse, owned by Mia Allen, had social services inspectors at the house in June, in September, and again on October 5th, when they found 19 children, 11 whom were infants. The facility has a capacity of 8 children.
I just very, very strongly suspected they had more kids than they were supposed to. But I imagine maybe they have 1 or 2 more, you know.
Allen's mother, Nicole Bronson Bell, who had previously been denied clearance due to her criminal record, was found caring for the children at least twice, after state inspectors warned she couldn't be there.
I don't like to think about that for sure because it is scary.
Parents weren't notified until October 10th when social services called parents at home to tell them they were temporarily suspending the daycare and working to permanently revoke Mia Allen's license. We tried to speak with Allen, but she wasn't available for an interview. She says in a statement that just because her mother has a criminal record, it should not preclude her from having a second chance to contribute to the community and make a positive impact. Vargas Johnson says she never even met Allen, and her parents confirm Bronson Bell was doing the primary caretaking.
Nicole was the one who gave us a tour.
Inspectors also found other employees caring for the children who weren't fingerprinted or cleared by the state.
I never knew exactly who was caring for my baby.
Other violations include failing to keep sleep logs for infants, allowing employees without CPR training to care for the kids, and not maintaining records for employees and children. Allen says the Black-owned business is being targeted and discriminated against. She and her mother hired a lawyer.
I'm glad the inspection happened and that the state is regulating as it should.
Now, the state says the investigation is ongoing, but Allen and her mother plan to fight the allegations in an upcoming hearing. And if you want more information about how to look up inspections or violations at any licensed child care facility in the state, you can visit our website, KTVU.com. Back to you, Heather.
Yes, some good advice for parents out there. Thank you, Crystal.